All right, this is going to be Custard Pie by Led Zeppelin from Physical Graffiti. Now, it's got this main riff that happens a ton of times. So let's take a look at this. We got an A power chord. We're going to have... So down, up, down, and then you go to the 4, open in 4 here. So it's like an A6 chord right there. And then we're going to go to like an A7 chord, which is open in 5 there. So we got... So you're going down, up, down on the first chord, and then you switch chords, up, down, up, and then you have one more down on that 5. So you got... Now we have A power chord to the G up here with also the opens. So it's like a G power chord back to the A. So we got... Okay, so you get into a little thing where you get used to that little maneuver where you gotta go for the opens in the middle with that G. You don't want to go down and hit the second 2 string, the first 2 strings. You want to just hit that. You want to mute that 5th string also with the bottom of this finger, so you're not hearing the A note there. So that'll take a little practice. Go from that A, G, and back to get it just right. Okay, and you could just do the G, just the note. Put a little bend on it even. Be another way to do that. But it does sound kind of big if you can hit that G5 chord. So we got 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the main riff of the tune. After that, after he's sung for a while in a verse, we're going to go. That's your D power chord, 5, 7, 7, starting on the A string. So we got... We're going to go power chords, D, D flat, C. So we got... And then we're going C to B to B flat. So 3, 2, 1. So 5, 4, 3, and 3, 2, 1. So we got... And then we're back to the A riff. And then we're going to jump up to the E, kind of a turnaround chord for the key of A, right? The 5 chord. So we got... Now here on an upbeat, we're going to have 10, 10, 10, 10. And then that's F power chord, 1, 3, 3, to G power chord, 3, 5, 5. And those are on upbeats too, so it's like a... That's how you get back into the main riff. Okay, so once again, we're going to have the D change. Change, 10s, and that's like a D minor, I guess like a D minor 11 kind of thing, 10, 10, 10, 10. It's like a D minor 7, but they put that G note on the A string in there. Gives it a different ring to it. And then we got the F and G. Okay, let's try the whole thing. So 2, 3, and... Go to D. 3, 4, 1. E. Okay, one more time through those changes. We got D, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. E. Okay, then he's got a killer wah-wah solo. I'm not going to get into the wah-wah, but we'll do the whole solo. The first riff is going to go twice, and it's going to be bending these 7s on the G and B string, so it's going to go... And I suggest, as always, like having those other fingers on those same strings to give you more power to do the bend. So we got 3 bends on both of those strings. And then you're going to have to do that riff again. So we're going to do it twice. So we go 3, 4. Then we get into a riff, starts the same, it kind of ends a little different. It's going to go. So 3 bends still. And then we're going to bend downward and pull off to the 5s. And then hit the 7s again and pull them off. And end with a 7 on the D to that 5 on the G. So it's... We'll do that 3 times. So 2, 3, 4. So moving on to the rest of the solo, we got... So this one's going to be a bend on the 7 on the G. You got the 1st string, 5th fret. And then we can bend that G string again, pull off to the 5. We're going to have... And that's going 7 on the G to 7 on the D. Then we have a 5, 7, 5 on the G, 7 on the D, and back. So we got... And then we have another 7 and 5. And then we're moving into a new riff here. So all together we got... Okay, and then we're going to move up here. So we have the 9 up here. We're going to go. We're going to bend it up and hit it a few times while it's up. Might be like 4 of those. So, bam, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull off to the 7 as you go down. Down to that 9 on the D. We're going to slide that 7 to 5 on the G. So we got. And then we're going to go 7 on the D. Quick slide down, 7 to 5, 3, 5 over here on the 5th string. So we got... So we have a little bend on that 3 on the D. We got that 5 here, back to a little bend here again. So from this part here, we got... And then we go 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3 on that D string. And then we got... So these are all 16th notes, pretty easy to play it out. We got a little reminiscent of Black Dog right there. We got the 7 on the 5th, 5, 6, 7 on the D, 5, 5, and 7 on the G. We got that 7 on the D, 5, 7, 5. So all together we got... I have a little bend on that 5, 7, 5 in the D. So we got... Slide into the 9 on the G. You got 8, 8 going down there to the 10 on the 2nd string. Slide into the 11 on the G. 10 and 12 on the B string. So 3 bends. Pull off, and then 12 to that 11 on the G string. So we got 4 bends. 12, 10, 11, 10, 11. Going back from 3rd to 2nd string there. And then we're going to slide into this 12 on the A string. Then we're going to come to the G string, 10, 12, bend it. 12 to 10. Slide in the 12 to 14 on the G. 13 on the B, bend the 15. So 13, 15, 13. Now the last set of riffs is going to have this little 15. So you got little 15, and then bend the 2nd string 15. 13, 15, 13. So the second part goes same notes, a little different phrasing, and then the same as the first one. And it's going to end with 13, 15, 13 to 14 there. So this whole solo again, we got... Okay, and then you're back into your rhythm. All right, Custard Pie, Physical Graffiti, Led Zeppelin, Jimmy Page. Got a tab with this. Thanks for watching. Talk to y'all soon.